Names of animals and birds may be in a jungle or around. It could be anywhere in the world. We come across monkey, tiger, elephant, dog, sparrow, hen, crow, and peacock. Tiger, elephant, monkey, horse, zebra, rabbit, cow. Different names of birds are crow, sparrow, pigeon, duck, hen, peacock, owl, let's read aloud picture story. A rabbit and a turtle were racing together. Fox was umpire. Lion, tiger, cow, monkey, elephant, and other animals were watching the race. Crow, owl, peacock, hen, pigeon, and other birds were also watching the race. Rabbit reached near the final place very soon. Turtle was too slow. Rabbit slept under a tree. In the meantime, Turtle reached the final place and won the race. Do you know that the words written in red are names of animals and birds? Animals and birds are called by different words. Such words are names of animals and birds.
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/VenusKidsWorld.